Earth is home to millions of species. Yet some creatures are so strange, so alien, that they seem to defy the very rules of biology. From the deepest oceans to the highest mountains, evolution has produced life forms unlike anything we could imagine. Today, we reveal 10 of the strangest real creatures ever discovered, beings that prove our planet is far more mysterious than we think. For centuries, sailors spoke of a monstrous sea creature with tentacles longer than a ship's mast. They called it the Kraken. Today we know it as the giant squid, a rare and elusive predator that lives thousands of meters below the surface. With eyes the size of dinner plates and tentacles lined with rotating hooks, the giant squid remains one of the ocean's greatest enigmas. The mantis shrimp is one of Earth's most colorful animals, and also one of the most violent. It can punch with the force of a bullet, shattering aquarium glass with ease. Its eyes can see colors far beyond human capability, detecting ultraviolet and polarized light. Small but deadly, the mantis shrimp is a scientific marvel. In the freezing waters of Antarctica lives a creature unlike any other, the icefish. It has no red blood cells, no hemoglobin, and its blood is completely transparent. Scientists believe this adaptation allows it to survive in temperatures that would instantly kill most other animals. It is a reminder that evolution has no limits. The velvet worm looks harmless, but it is a highly specialized hunter. When it attacks, it shoots twin streams of sticky slime that harden instantly, trapping prey in place. This strange creature has existed for over 500 million years, surviving the extinction of the dinosaurs. It is a living window into Earth's distant past. With ear-like fins resembling the Disney character Dumbo, this octopus drifts silently in the darkest depths of the ocean. It lives so deep that sunlight never reaches it and water pressure is crushing. Yet it moves gracefully, almost like a spirit floating through the abyss. Few humans have ever seen one alive. Despite its terrifying appearance, the tailless whip scorpion is harmless to humans. With long, spindly legs, antenna-like feelers, and sharp pincers, it looks like something from a horror movie. But in reality, it is a shy creature that uses its delicate limbs to navigate dark caves with incredible sensitivity. The blobfish became famous for its melting, cartoon-like appearance. But this is only how it looks when removed from deep pressure. At the depths where it lives, it is perfectly adapted, its gelatinous body allowing it to survive in crushing conditions. It is a reminder that beauty is often misunderstood when taken out of context. This tiny bat, covered in pure white fur and sporting bright yellow ears, builds tents out of folded leaves to hide from predators. It lives in small families and communicates through soft chirps. With its unusual colors and charming behavior, it is one of the most visually striking mammals on Earth. This enormous snail can grow larger than a human hand and is considered one of the most invasive species on the planet. Its appetite is so intense that it can destroy entire crops, and it carries pathogens harmful to humans. Despite its slow movement, it is one of the most successful colonizers in the animal kingdom. Also known as the water bear, the tardigrade is one of the toughest creatures ever discovered. It can survive radiation, freezing, boiling, the vacuum of space, and even complete dehydration for decades. Tardigrades challenge our understanding of life itself, proving that some creatures are almost indestructible. These creatures show us that life on Earth is far more bizarre, resilient, and inventive than we could ever imagine. Each one is a masterpiece of evolution, shaped by forces of nature we are only beginning to understand. For more cinematic documentaries like this, subscribe and join us on the next journey into the wonders of our world.